welcome to Chapter 1, Lesson 4. Today is about ordering numbers. Remember, the essential question for this chapter is, how does place value help represent the value of numbers? So, why is place value important? Okay, you can use a place value chart to put numbers in order. So today is all about this little guy here, which is called place value chart. Now this one only has the ones and the thousands period, but later ones you might see might have the millions period. Let's look at example 1. Compare the populations of the 3 cities and order them from greatest to least. Okay, you have to pay very close attention to if it says greatest to least or least to greatest. Greatest means big one first. Okay. Write the populations on the place value chart. So here they have the populations, and we're just going to copy them into the chart. Okay, so the first one is 103,299. 103,299. Second one is 101,365. 101,365. And the last one, 590,763. 590,763. Step 1. Now step 2 says start with the greatest place value position and compare. Okay, so the greatest position is the hundreds, 100,000s. So 1, 1, and 5. 5 is bigger than 1, greater than. Remember? He's always going to face the side that's yummiest. Compare the digits in the next place. Okay, so we already know this is going to be the biggest number. That's going to be our number 1. Now we look here. Okay, they're the same, so we need to look to the next place, to the 10th place, and they're equal. Okay, so 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's not going to help us. They're still equal. So it says continue to compare until the digits are different. So now let's look at the 1,000s place. Now we see a difference here. 3 is bigger than 1. Remember, this always faces the big one. Yummy, yummy. It's like Mr. Pac-Man. Okay, so now we know this one is going to be bigger because in the 1,000s place, it's a larger. So this is going to be our second one, and then our third one. Okay, so 590,763. The second one, 103,299. And our third one, 101,365. Okay, so just repeat from greatest to least. Make sure you pay attention. I can guarantee on the test some of you are going to mix out least to greatest, greatest to least. Big one first. And the last one, 101,365. Okay. Make sense? Okay. Remember, if you have a question, ask me in class. Example 2. Order the numbers on the cards at the right from least to greatest. Okay, so this means they want a small one first. The small one first, okay? So we're looking, this is going to be a 3, 2, 1 order. They want the small one first. Start with the greatest place value position. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is just line them up, okay? It doesn't matter actually yet what order we put it in, but that's just there for our reference to remember which ones we're going to do first. Right now I'm just going to pick a random order. Okay, let's do that one. Make sure you're copying these down properly, because one little mistake in copying will throw off everything. Okay, so we did the first thing. Start with the greatest place value position. Compare. Compare means look at both. Each number has a blank in the hundred thousands place. 2. So compare the digits in the 10,000. Okay, these are all the same. So now we got to look at this place value. The greatest number is, which is biggest? 4, 5, or 4? 5, right? Okay, so we know this is going to be our biggest number. This is our big boy. The two numbers that are left both have a blank in the thousands place. Okay, so this one's out. We finished this one. So the ones that are left both have a 5 in the thousands place and a blank in the hundreds. We're looking at the hundreds now. They both have a 0 in the hundreds place. Okay, so now we got to look now at the next level. And which one's bigger? 2 or 3? 3, definitely, right? So this is our middle number, our second biggest number. So the second greatest number is, this is our second one, 245,32. So order from least to greatest. Okay, so this remembers our 3 ones. This is the biggest, second biggest, third biggest. And they want it from least to greatest. Okay, so they want the small one, then the middle one, then the big one. Okay, so just copy these numbers down. Small one first. 245,023. Okay. This means less than. Okay, and then our middle one, this one, 245,032. Oops. Actually, we don't want a comma because we'll get it confused. And then our biggest one. I'm running out of space here, but that's okay. 254,000. Keep the zeros. 2. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Let's draw a pumpkin today. Maybe a jack-o'-lantern. With some like scary sort of eyes. All right. See you in class.